As a parent, how do you help your children develop important skills that prepare them for the future? Meet Dash and Dot. Fun, easy-to-use, interactive robots that teach kids about programming with hands-on play. Dash and Dot are ready to play right out of the box and can be programmed with our free apps for your phone or tablet. Kids start learning right away with an easy-to-follow tutorial and hundreds of preloaded missions. Dot can be programmed on its own as a quirky magic dot ball.
I'm gonna go with maybe.
Or a hot potato. Dash can do even more. He can dance, race around the house, respond to objects and sounds, and record your child's voice for a fun surprise.
Watch out, Mom, I'm coming through.
Dash and Dot will fuel your child's natural curiosity. They'll love programming new adventures for their robot sidekicks. They can play hide and seek, set up challenging courses, or go head-to-head for a thrilling race. You'll be surprised at their creativity and innovation. With lots of great add-on accessories for your Dash or Dot, there are endless ways for your child to explore and problem solve, all while having fun. Wonder Workshop robots and apps are designed to grow with your child, allowing them to apply what they've learned and expand their capabilities.
Are you serious?
Wonder Workshop, inspiring the brightest minds of tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay, so this is my little Dash bot. His name's Alan. Hey, turn around. Alan. I'm here. He has a seizure disorder, though, I think. Hello, Alan. Buddy. Turn around. There you go. Okay, now, calm down. Calm. Calm. There we go. So he can track my hand pretty well. Up, down, left, right, left, right. But then he does this stuff. Is this normal? Calm down. Calm down. There you go. All right. So other than the violent shaking, yeah, that doesn't look good. Calm down, buddy. Okay. So, is this supposed to happen? I don't know. You tell me. All right. Hey, Alan. Hey. Stop. Say goodbye, Alan. Goodbye.
This is a little maze for Jamie. Jamie's turning. Some forward movement. A little bit. Course correction, adjustment. And target alignment. Whoa. Yeah.
So this is the app. It's called Xylo or something. Wonder Workshop. Attach the xylophone.
Okay.
Yeah,
Show how you do that.
Yeah, that round thing. Just stick it both sides. Push it. Hear the click. And both of them are in. You can't see the line. Connect this thing to the left side of his head. His left, my
On the
right.
left side?
Yeah. So it's his left, my right. I didn't turn them on.
You need to turn it on first.
I think he's gonna start moving a little bit.
There you go. He just woke up.
Okay. Let's put it right there.
What is he doing now?
I think he's updating.
So that's...
Can you see me? So if his mallet keeps hitting the edge and not the note, which what's happened to us, you just have to calibrate it. So you press this button, and you put setup and calibration, and just listen to the steps. We already did that.
Follow the step.
Right.
So you put first note.
Okay.
Test.
Next.
And then
Note. Wait, this is the blue one, right?
No, the green one. So you put it here. That's the one. Okay, that's right.
Next. And the pinky
And
one.
lastly, the
And then next.
purple, or
And then
you call it pink.
it's complete.
Okay.
And then we're gonna do, I'm gonna do, we made this one already. Toby's first song.
You made that one.
Huh? Oh, and then you can put more lines like this.
You can add more.
Yeah.
You can make the longer songs.
Song. You can do Twinkle Twinkle, Row Row Your Boat, Fair Jaka,
On the
This Old
bridge,
Man.
this old man.
No, let's try this old man.
Okay,
You
try
just
that.
press play.
Oh, you too fast. Jingle bells?
Ooh, jingle bells.
Christmas
Bigger on the side.
down.
Do we need to calibrate it again? No.
Yes.
I don't think so.
Oh, 3 blind mice. And then you press the big giant
Press the
arrow.
Big arrow.
And then you
there.
press. Yay! Oh, I think while it's playing, you can move it. Forward, backwards, turn left, turn right.